Oh, I can't read anything. I need my glasses, but they are far. I need someone to help me, but I am alone. I need water. Oh, my back is paining. How can I get it? Oh, it's time for my medicine. But who will get it from there?
Good morning. My name is Uplaksh. I am student of class 9 and I study in Sai International School, Hiranagar, Jammu and Kashmir. As you just saw, this old man is struggling from many problems, and there are also many old age people who live without their children in separate houses. According to a survey, around 22 million people live alone without their children. These people even struggle to get a glass of water. This problem is not very small to be ignored. So, to overcome this problem, I am here with my innovative project, Helping Hand version 1. Helping Hand version 1 is an AI and machine learning based robot. It contains many features to help old age people. This robot has potential to provide them with a great company. This robot can move according to the voice command given. These voice commands can be given in any language like Hindi, English and Marathi. This robot can charge on its charging station in about 2 to 3 hours. In case of any power cut, this robot can also be charged through solar panels. This robot consists of 3 boxes which can be programmed according to need. These boxes can be controlled through voice command. For example, now I have programmed this box for giving water, this for giving the oldest people medicine, and this for giving glasses. In this robot's eye, we have used 2 types of LEDs. The red shows whether the robot is charging or not, and the green shows whether the robot is turned on or off. Helping Hand version 1 also consists of built-in Alexa, which makes it very useful for old age people because using Amazon Alexa, old age people can control their home lights using voice command. Due to Amazon Alexa, old age people can also entertain themselves by listening to music and news. This robot also contains a IP camera which can be used by young ones to see their parents from any corner of the world. This IP camera can also be used as a CCTV camera. These all features combined make this robot very useful for old age people. Now let's see how this robot companion works and how it helps old age people.
Go ahead. Stop. Give me my glasses. Good job. It's time for my medicine. Go ahead. Stop. Give me my medicine. Thanks. Give me water. Thank you.
Now I am going to show you how I built this project. In back of this project, I have used two Arduino Unos, one for controlling servo and one for controlling the movement. This Arduino Uno is connected to a motor driver which drives the motors. For movement, I have used 4 bow motors, and for the movement of these doors, I have used 3 micro servo motors. For the eyes, I have used red and green color LEDs to indicate different signs. For the charging station, I have used 2 aluminum foil plates at the back of this robot which are connected directly to the battery. When we give 12 volt supply to these aluminum foil, the robot charges. I have used a solar panel to charge this project under sunlight. This project can be charged by 2 ways, one from solar panel and one from its charging station. I have used a 12 volt and 2200 mAh lithium iron battery in this project. For Bluetooth connectivity, I have used HC05 Bluetooth module in this project. Now let me show you how does this charging station works. I have connected a 12 volt adapter directly to 2 pen refills. Then they are connected to the aluminum foils on the robot. When these aluminum foil touches this refill, the robot starts charging. For the Alexa and the IP camera, I have just used a spare mobile phone which I have connected to a continuous power supply of 5.3 volts. Now I will show you how does the Alexa works. Alexa, turn on bulb. Now let's have a look on the code of this project. For coding this project, I have used PictoBlocks. The code starts from Arduino Uno header. When the command give me water arrives from the Bluetooth module, the servo on pin 11 gets to 90 degree. And when the command thanks for water arrives from the Bluetooth module, the servo gets to 0 degree angle. Similarly, for the give me medicine command and give me glasses command. For programming the base of this robot, I have just written the code on PictoBlocks app and then uploaded it. Now let's just see how I controlled the robot with voice command. For controlling the robot with voice command, I have used Dabble app, which is by Stempedia. I have selected the terminal option and then connected my robot to it to give command to robot. I hope you like my way of explaining this project. As it is just its version 1, it is still in its development stage. At last, I would like to conclude that this innovation will be a blessing for old age people. Moreover, this innovation will change old people's life.